Hi, welcome to this quick guide on how to install PostHog into any WordPress site. A PostHog is a developer tool designed to be a single platform to analyze, test, observe, and deploy new features all in one platform to achieve all of these goals, enabling developers, product teams to build successful products. Get started, you click on of course, the website to access PostHog is posthog.com. And then you move over to get started, which will take you to the sign up page. And you have to create an account. So I'll do that quickly. So I'm done creating an account. So I just have to create the organization and profile setup. So I'm just going to do Trust LLC just to can rename that later. Your role products, so founder with organization. All right, so PostHog has a series of products and tools you can use, but our main focus for this tutorial would be web analytics, product analysis, and section replay. So depending on what objective you want to implement, you choose that, and you can also toggle around which you want to explore first, but we're okay with web analytics. All right, so let's go. All right, so in the install page, you get to see lots of tools, platforms you can install PostHub in. There are a lot of no-code platforms like Bubble, Framer, Webflow that can accommodate PostHub as well. And of course, pure coding projects too can implement PostHub from Android, mobile to web. We have React and the others here as well. So our focus is WordPress, but we can't see WordPress any of the options here. But the HTML snippet would definitely work perfectly fine because WordPress also has a way where you can customize the heading and HTML files of your WordPress project. So we would choose HTML snippets. When you click on HTML snippets, you can see the instructions how to implement it. So we'll copy this code and post it within the head tags on our WordPress website. So if you have WordPress already open, this time we'll leave this page and head over to the WordPress dashboard. So I already have this here, and we're going to use code, the web code plugin to achieve this. So you can install any other, header modificator plugin, anything you want to adjust, but I prefer using the WP code, right? So we have to create a new snippet, which enables us to add custom snippets across the website on WordPress. So we have to click on add custom snippets, HTML, yes. And then we'll go back to the post hook and we'll click on copy. And then we'll paste this here. We can name this post hook tag. Everything looks good here. We just click on save snippets. Once it's saved, then we'll have to make it active and update. Then we'll go back, right? So it's still verifying, but for us to quickly verify it, we asked to click around and add a few coupled pages, view a few copy pages and generate some events. And then it automatically captures them, then we can verify successfully. So let's do that. We'll go to pmxschool.com and see what happens. So yes, we have this. We're going to move. So PMS School is a project for developer marketers. So you just have to move around and we can quickly toggle and see what happens on here. Go back and forth. So let's go back and see it has been successfully completed. So we'll continue. Authorization URL, we just put PMS School website here and save. We'll go to next. So yeah, we can enable this. It depends on your preference, but I think we're good. And next, teammates, none for now, but you can add teammates if you wish to, and finish. So we're done. And then we can see that we are fully set up. And one visitor visited, which is what we just did. So because I had to preview this, it had already, captured that one engagement on the website. And it also tells you unique visitors, views, sections, the parts on the website in which they have visited, and also the country where they are currently visiting from, and a whole lot of that as well. So it is still gathering the data, but this gives us a very good holistic view of what is going on the website. The section replace, so we can also configure that as well. Also, product analysis. If you take a look at this, you get to see your first insights. You can, of course, very helpful for product teams to capture retention, capture weekly active users, daily active users, and so on and so forth. There are lots of features here developers would definitely be helpful to use as well. And this is quickly how to set up a post hog analytics on your website using WordPress. Any questions, you can feel free to reach out to the PostHog team, or just type a comment below this video, and I'll be happy to help you resolve any comments or any issues you have on how to use PostHogs on WordPress or any other websites or any platform of your choice.